Hi guys, it's Sam from Heart to Hand Crafts. In this video I'll be showing you some really quick and easy cards to make for Halloween. Now I don't have that many Halloween products to make cards, so I did a little search online and found some free printables. I'll talk about where I found those during the video. This tutorial is great for people who need to make a quick card or beginners because you don't really need that many products to make these. I just used card, a printer, some glue and a few embellishments, which you don't even have to add the embellishments if you don't have them or don't want to. I went ahead and cut all my card pieces that I needed to make each card so that I could assemble them quickly for the video. And I literally just take each piece and glue them down. I used my scoreboard to make sure that each piece was 1/8 of an inch smaller than the next. All of the patterned background papers came from the Trim Craft blog. I will put a link to where I found these in the description at the end of the video. It's also worth noting that all of these elements that I've printed from websites for free are for personal use only. This cool mummy is from katehadfielddesigns.com and Kate kindly said that I could use it for my video. I will of course add the link to her website below so that you can grab these to print out yourself if you want to make these cards. The Trick or Treat Witch is also from the same collection from Kate's website, so when you download it, it will give you a selection of these cute little cards. Now that the card is adhered, I'm just going to add some embellishments. These little gems have already got adhesive on the back. And then I'm going to go back and do the same with my mummy card. I've got some little white pearl ones here. Again, they've got adhesive on the back already. This Happy Halloween top hat is also from the Trim Craft blog, as well as the papers. This time I'm embellishing the card with sequins and I'm just going to use a little dab of glue just to adhere them to the top hat. Again, the double toil and trouble design comes from Kate. Sometimes I'll make a mistake when I'm printing, so rather than throw the cardstock away, I'll just print on the other side. That saves waste. And you can see here, you can't tell that I've printed on the other side once it's stuck down. This Got Candy topper is from lizoncool.com. Again, like Kate, Liz kindly said that I could use this for my card. I'll pop the link to this down in the description. The Have a Spooktacular Halloween topper also comes from the Trimcraft blog. With this card I'm adding quite a few embellishments to the background paper, just to give it some extra dimension. These last two printables came from Vanessa Brady at triedandtrueblog.com. Thanks for letting me use them on my cards. I'll be doing another Halloween card video later on this week. If you enjoyed this, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you again soon.